Hi, this is Sarah Young from ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com. This is part 2 of lesson 6. Today we're going to learn how to create a landing page. A landing page is the web page that people get to after they read your articles. We will first create the landing page for the product that you chose, and then we will start writing articles in order to bring people to that landing page. People will find your articles, read them, and get sent to this landing page. There are lots of free sites around that let you create your own web page. They're called Web 2.0 properties. And different people like different sites. Some people like a site called Squidoo. Some people like a site called HotPages. I personally chose Blogger for this course because right now Blogger is doing really well in the search engines. It's not really a surprise because Blogger is owned by Google. So if we get a chance to rank our landing page on Google in addition to our articles, that's really great. So therefore, I've decided to go with a Blogger blog. Another reason why I like Blogger is that you have more control over your landing pages than some other sites that are out there. It is also very easy to use. So let's get started. First, you need to sign into Blogger with your account. Once you've signed in, you will reach your Blogger dashboard. In the Blogger dashboard, you will want to create a new blog for your product that you're using. So click on Create a Blog, and now it's time to get your blog ready. Before you do that, you're going to want to pick one of the keywords that you chose in the previous lesson to be the keyword for your Blogger blog. Try to pick a keyword that doesn't have a lot of competition, yet gets a decent amount of searches. This keyword is going to be your blog title and also your blog address. So in our case, I'm going to go with the Bear Paw Boots example from the last lesson, and the keyword that I'm going to pick is Bear Paw Boots on Sale. So the blog title is going to be Bear Paw Boots on Sale, and my blog address is also going to be Bear Paw Boots on Sale. You can't really have spaces in your blog address in the URL, but you can replace the spaces with dashes, or you can just put it all together like this. It doesn't really matter. I personally like dashes. They're a little bit easier to read, but you can go either way. And if you pick one with dashes and that's not available, you can do it without dashes or just some dashes. And if you prefer one without dashes and that's not available, so try dashes. And then you click on Check Availability to see if that blog is available. If the blog is available, great. If it's not available, then you should play with the dashes to see if you can get something that's available. For example, you could have something like this: Bear Paw Boots dash on sale, or just have no dashes. Or if none of them are available, then you might want to add a number 1 afterwards, or Bear Paw Boots on Sale blog. Just make sure that your keyword is in the beginning of the blog address and that the thing that you add isn't really long. Like the digit 1 or like the word blog, they're all good things to add to the blog URL if it's not available. In our case, Bear Paw Boots on Sale is available, so we're going to enter the word verification and click on Continue. Now it's time to choose a template for your blog. I recommend that you choose something with a light background and dark text. It seems to work better than dark background and white text. So let's just pick something here and click on Continue. Okay, so now your blog has been created and you can start blogging. But before we start blogging, we're going to make some changes to the blog. The first thing that you want to do is click on the layout and remove the followers. Yes. The second thing that I want you to do is click on Add a Gadget and just look at all these things that you can add to your blog. Later, we might want to add more things here to make your blog more interesting and to get it to make you more money. For example, here's something called AdSense. Earn revenue by displaying relevant ads on your blog. We're not going to use it now because we are going to be affiliates and we're going to sell products for a commission. But if for some reason the product doesn't sell, and it doesn't work out, which could happen, and then we'll have to move on to the next product, then we are going to put the AdSense there, and basically it puts ads on your blog, and whenever somebody clicks on your blog, you get paid. But we're not going to do that now. I will show you how to do it much later. Find where it says About Me and click on Edit. Pick a pen name. I recommend that you choose a different pen name for different niches that you go into. This will help you later keep track of your articles, and generally I believe it's a good idea to do that. So I'm going to pick a pen name for my Boots blog. In the description, just write something related to your product that you're selling. Here's what I wrote. There's no need to enter anything for the location, and when you're ready, just click on Save. Every one of your blogs can have a different profile. Now we're ready to create our first post, which will be our landing page. So go back and click on Posting, and you have here a new post. The title of your new post should be your keyword. Bear Paw Boots on Sale. Now we're going to put some information about the product. Now remember that this is a landing page, and this is a page where if people come here, you want them to buy. Now the thing that we're going to do here to get people to buy is we're going to put a very clear call to action on the top of the post. A call to action is something that tells your visitor, click here and buy. And here is how we're going to make a really nice call to action. First, we're going to go to Amazon.com and we're going to get a picture of the product that we will be selling. Amazon does allow you to use pictures of their products, but normally we don't take pictures from other sites without permission. You want to save the picture to your computer, make a special folder for it. And name the picture something that you will recognize. Now we're going to go back to our Blogger blog, and we're going to put the picture in our blog. The way to do that is to click on this picture icon here, that if you mouse over it, it says Add Image. So you click here, and you click on Browse, and you put the picture in. The layout that we're going to choose is left, and the image size is medium. Let's upload the image. And now we're going to put a clear call to action. Click here to get Bear Paw Boots on sale on Amazon.com. We're going to make it very visible. The way we're going to make it so visible is we're going to make it red, like this, and bold, and the text size is going to be largest, like this. I see this image is a bit big, so you can just make it smaller like this. Now let's move this text up. For some reason, the picture went above this text. Use it just like a regular editor. Just like you use Word. Okay? Now, in order to make the landing page look even nicer, we can add more pictures. So I've taken some more pictures from Amazon, and I'm going to put them into my blog. I've added these two pictures here. Just be creative and make a nice looking page. Don't have to spend too much time on it, but make sure it looks okay. Now the really important thing is to link your call to action to your product page. So go to your Bitly account and click on copy to get your link. Then click on the image and click on the link icon over here and paste the link in here. And same thing with this, paste the link in here. Any other images that you have, you could link them as well. Now in your opening paragraph, you want to have your keyword one time. So here I have my opening paragraph, which is actually just one sentence, and I have the keyword one time, and I'm going to create a link on that keyword as well. So now we have the link in a few places, and we're going to go down here, labels for this post. So you want to put the name of the product here and also your keyword. And if you want, you can add more labels. Basically, a label means that if somebody goes to Blogger and searches on that label, for example, Bear Paw Boots on sale, then your site will show up. Now click on Publish Post. Your post was published successfully and you now have a landing page. Let's see my landing page. Here it is. Now you see that not the entire image and call to action are above the fold, meaning I can't see them 100% without scrolling down a little bit. So I'm going to go back to my post and I'm going to edit it and I'm going to make it a little bit high because we want to make sure that people see this when they come to your site. You want to make sure that they see that first and that they click on it. You don't really care about them reading what your landing page says. You want them to click and to buy. So let's click on Publish Post again. And let's look at it again. And here is our completed landing page. In the next lesson, we're going to start writing articles that will link to this landing page. People will read the articles, they will come to this landing page, and they will click on one of these links to buy your product. Now, one last thing, very important, is click on each one of your links to make sure that they work. Let's do that here. You just don't want to make a mistake here and have your links not work. That would be really annoying, and it has happened to many people, including me. So always check your links and make sure that they work, because if not, you're not going to get any sales. This has been part 2 of lesson 6 of ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com from Sarah Young. See you next time.